All right, let's tear this open and see what's actually inside of it here. I actually have the markers in here. You can see it comes with 6 colors, low order, non-toxic. Looks like they have their own erasers on them as well. So here's the blue one. And looks like a little fine tip marker. Here we go, and here's the actual calendar itself. So we're gonna stick this up on the fridge too, but it also comes with this nice little shopping list, and I'll probably also use this as like a to-do list. So let's get this up on the fridge and see how well it works. Watch how magnetic these are, really cool. Just throw it, look at that, it sticks. I can do the same thing with the actual calendar too. So I got the calendar here, you can see how big that magnet is. Just throw it, look at that, it sticks right to it, really cool. So let me demonstrate how the markers actually look on this. So I'm gonna show you both a red and black marker just to show you the color and the black to see what it looks like. So here we could write like a number, or 12, we could write an A, then we can write with the black, we can write a C, and a 4, and a 3, and a 1. There we go, okay, so it doesn't really matter what you write. But now let's see how well the actual erasers work on them as well. Let's try one out here. It comes right off pretty well. So the black definitely comes off really easily. How about the red? Yep, and I'm not really pushing too hard. Not a lot of effort going into that.